Good morning, students. Here in this class, I am going to brief the chapter Trigonometry. This is a lengthy chapter, and in this class, I am going to do some problems from all the chapters. Listen one by one. Here also, we take a right-angled triangle. ABC is a right-angled triangle, and in the case of trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometrical ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Once again, if you select the angle A, then sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Here this is 90 degree, B is 90 degree. Therefore, you can choose angle A or angle C. They are acute angles. What are the 6 trigonometrical ratios? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan means opposite by adjacent. The next 3 are the reverse or reciprocals of the above 3. Therefore, cosec is, look at the board, hypotenuse by opposite, and the second one is sec means hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot means adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Now, listen the question. In a right-angled triangle ABC, right? In a right-angled triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle at B. You can mark ABC. Then BC is equal to 3 centimeter, AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Write all the 6 trigonometrical ratios. Okay. Here only 2 sides are given. Therefore, you have to find the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, can you say what is hypotenuse square? Yes, hypotenuse square AC square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16, that is 25, means 5. Root 25 is 5. Now write one by one. What is sin A? Sin A means opposite. Here we take the angle A, therefore opposite means 3 by 5. Cos A means 4 by 5. Tan A means opposite by adjacent, 3 by 4. If these 3 are correct, then you can write cosec A is equal to 5 by 3. Look at the board. And sec A is equal to 5 by 4. And cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Right. The second question, if tan theta, this is the angle, tan theta instead of A, they use tan theta. If, right, 5 tan theta equal to 4, find the value of, right, 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Very important type question. Then take the given term. 5 tan theta is equal to 4 means tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Always you draw a figure. Draw a right triangle. You can mark here ABC and mark this theta here. Theta, one acute angle. Then can you say what is tan theta? Tan theta means opposite by, say the answer, opposite by adjacent. Therefore, in opposite side of this theta is 4 and the adjacent side is 5. What we need? We need the hypotenuse, or you can write AC square is 5 square plus 4 square. What is 5 square? 25 plus 4 square is 16. Is it 41? Therefore, AC is equal to root to 41. Write that root 41. No confusion. You can write root to 41. Okay, students? Then, we need only two terms. What are they? Sine and cos. Therefore, you can write sine theta. What is the formula? Sine theta opposite by hypotenuse. That is 4 by root 41. Then can you say what is cos theta? Yes, 5 by root 41. Always copy the question. Always copy this question. What is the question? 5 into sine theta minus 3 into cos theta by 5 into sine theta plus 2 into cos theta. Look at the board very. Okay. Is it clear? 5 into what is sine theta? Look here. 4 by root 41. Then the sign is important. Minus 3 into 5 by root 41 by again 5 into sine theta 4 by root 41 plus 2 into what is cos theta into 5 by root. Not cancel this 41. First you write like this. 5 4s are 20 by root 41 minus 15 by root 41 by 20 by root 41 plus 10 by root 41. Then what is here? The LCM. Same. Root 41. 20 minus 15. 5 by 20 plus 10, 30 by root 41. If the denominators are same, you can cancel or take the reciprocal of the second number and multiply. 5 by 30. What is 5 by 30 answer? Yes, 1 by 6. Then write the next heading. Second part, the first part over, then the second part. Trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Can you say what are the standard angles? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Repeat. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Then the basic ratios are sine, cos, tan. I already told you the rest three are the reciprocal of these three. Therefore, sine, we want to find the angle of measurement of this sine. Look here. Sine is an increasing function, therefore 0 to 1. Sine is an increasing function, therefore the value ranges from 0 to 1. And cos is a decreasing function or the reverse of sine, therefore 1 to 0. Already you studied 4 values. Sine 30. 30 minutes means half an hour, that is half, 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2. All of you agree? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. I will repeat. What are the standard angles? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then sine, cos, tan. Then sine 0, 0, 0 to 1. Upper limit is 1. In between 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Then just write the reverse of cosine. 1 is already we wrote. Then root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2 is in the middle. 1 by 2. Dear students, sine by cos is tan. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. 2 denominator cancel. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 1. 2 cancel upper. Then 1 by 0 is not defined. Then how can you write cosec? Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, sec is the reciprocal of cos, and tan is the reciprocal of cot. Sorry, cot is the reciprocal of tan. Only study the first line. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Then write the reverse order. Then you will get cos. Sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos is tan. Next year you will study that. Sin by cos is tan. Okay, write the problems. One simple question, write. Find or evaluate 8 sin 30 cos 60. 8 into, can you say what is sin 30? 0, 1 by 2, isn't it? Second, 1 by 2. Cos 60, 30 and 60 are complementary angles. They are equal for 1 by 2. 2, 2 and 8 cancel. 4 2's. Got the answer? Then second problem, write. 3 sin square 45 plus 2 cos square 60. 3 into sin 45 and cos 45, 1 by root 2. Therefore, 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2 the whole square. Right? Therefore, 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 4. You will get 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Got it? 2 and 4 cancel 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2? 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, then write the next question. Sin square 45 plus cos square 45, the whole divided by tan square 60. Can you say what is sin square 45 and cos square 45? Yes, they are equal. 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square. Both 1 by root 2. Root 3 the whole square. Agree? Substitution step is important. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 by 3. Can you say what is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? 50 plus 51. 1 by 3. Okay. Then write the next question. Prove that sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Right. Prove that 2 sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. If theta is equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. Take the LHS, left hand side. Sin 2 theta means sin 2 into 30. What is sin 2 into 30? Sin 60. What is sin 60? Yes, root 3 by 2. Keep it there. Then take the RHS. 2 into sin 30 cos 30. 2 into what is sin 30? Yes, 1 by 2. What is cos 30? I can hear. Root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Here also you will get root 3 by 2. Then below write LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Write the next question. If, this is another type of question. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Find the angles A and B. Find the angles A and B. You can put the question mark. 3, 4, is it 5? Fifth question. Then tan A plus B equal to root 3 means tan which angle is root 3? Yes, tan 60. Therefore, equating, you will get A plus B equal to 60. Okay. Then what about tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3? Tan which angle is 1 by root 3? Look here. Tan which angle is 1 by root 3? Yes, 30. Therefore, you can write here tan 30. That implies A minus B equal to 30. You can put equation 1 and equation 2. Then taking that equation A plus B equal to 60, A minus B equal to 30. Plus B and minus B on adding cancel, isn't it? You can add equation 1 plus equation 2. 2A is equal to 90. From that A is equal to, what is the 90 by 2? 45 degree. Isn't it? Then substitute in equation 1. A plus B equal to 60 means A is 45 plus B is not B equal to. Therefore, B is 60 minus 45. Say the answer. 15 degree. For A is equal to 45, B is equal to 15. Okay. Then next about actually complementary angles. Right, evaluate. Sine 23 by cos 67. Complementary angle means when you add the previous one is standard angles. Here 67 plus 23. Can you say the answer 67 plus 23? Yes, 90 degree. Therefore, they are known as complementary angles. Therefore, you take the first one, sine 90 minus 67 by cos 67. What's the step? We can write this 23 as 90 minus 67. Then sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, this changes to cos 67 by cos 67. What is the answer? Cancel. You will get 1. Write one more question. 2 tan 40 by cot 50 minus 1 by 2 sine 10 by cos 80. Then 2 into 2 is a number. 2 into tan 40, how can you write? Tan 90 minus 50 by cot 50 minus half is there into sine you can change 90 minus 80, the denominator angle, by cos 80. 2 into tan changes to cot. Therefore, cot 50 by cot 50 minus half into sine changes to cos 80 by cos 80. Cot cancel, cos cancel. 2 is there, 2 minus 1 by 2. Can you say what is 2 minus 1 by 2? 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 or 1.5, 3 by 2 or 1 and 1 by 2. Okay. Then the next one, solution of this trigonometrical angle. Solution. Write one question. 2 sine A equal to 1. 2 sine A equal to 1. Find angle A. Right. We can write this as sine A equal to 1 by 2. Isn't it? Therefore, sine which angle is 1 by 2? Yes, sine A is equal to sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. This step is important. Not directly write A equal to. Therefore, sine A equal to sine 30. Therefore, equating, you will get A is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Then, write one other question. 2 cos A minus 1 into tan 2A minus, not 2A, A you can write A minus 1 equal to 0. How can you find this angle? First, AB equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. That is a condition in maths. If AB, two terms are 0, either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Therefore, 2 cos A minus 1 equal to 0 means 2 cos A equal to 1 or cos A equal to 1 by 2. Then cos which angle is 1 by 2? Say the answer loudly. Cos which angle is 1 by 2? Yes, cos 60. For A is equal to 60 in the case first. Then take the second condition. Tan A minus 1 equal to 0. That means tan A equal to 1. Tan which angle is 1? Tan 45. For A is equal to 45 degree. That is from that section. Then the last one is, all of you look at the board. Here one theta is here, 10 is here, and this is 10 by root 3. My aim is to find this angle. This is all related to which chapter? Yes, trigonometry in a right angled triangle. Or 6 trigonometrical ratios are there. Can you say the relation connecting this theta and these two sides? Theta opposite side and theta adjacent side. What is the relation connecting opposite and adjacent? Yes, tan theta is equal to 10 by root 3. Isn't it? That is tan theta is equal to 10 into root 3 by 10. Take the reciprocal. Root 3 cancel. That is tan theta is equal to tan which angle is root 3? Tan 60. For theta is equal to 60. Okay, then last problem. If this is 30 and this is 5, A, B, C, find hypotenuse x. Can you connect the angle and this side? Angle is 30, opposite is given, hypotenuse is given. What's the relation connecting opposite and hypotenuse? Yes, sine 30 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Can you say what is sine 30? 1 by 2 equal to 5 by x. Therefore, x is equal to, cross multiply 2 5s are 10. X hypotenuse is equal to 10. Okay, students? Watch this class. Study well. God bless you.